Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Nintendo Switch OLED and the Nintendo Switch dock. So just ignore whatever the hell this is. Usually this is where I just dump my, my iPhones and stuff like that. But I just wanted to see, does the Nintendo Switch dock, the regular one, support the Nintendo Switch OLED? Let's find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plop it on and see what happens. So we just put it on. And okay, yeah, it seems to be detected because when it got into the dock, you can see the screen has gone black. And I don't actually have any HDMI cables plugged in, but I'm almost certain it would work okay. So I'm not really too surprised by this, because what you need to remember is the regular Switch and the Switch OLED are, they're basically the same size. The only difference is the display. There's less bezel essentially on the display. The Joy-Cons are the same, everything's the same. So that's good to know, but that means that, I don't need to unpack my AC charger, have this plugged in here. When you have the DS, right, every single model of the DS is a different charger, like, it's weird. But anyway, yeah, it fully works. So that answered the question. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.